How to use Vanilla Visa gift card on Roblox. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch a preferred browser and search for roblox.com. If you have an application, just tap Launch your Roblox in your device. Make sure that your Roblox is up to date and you are logged in into your Roblox account. Now starting off, to use a Vanilla Visa gift card, you can use it in the case of purchasing of your Robux. In that case, at the top you will see the Robux icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Tap on Buy Robux. Now in here, there are various of Robux packages that you can purchase. Just head over and tap on any that you prefer. Then, regarding the payment type, you can select the option of Other, since we want to use our Vanilla gift card on it. In here, you can add the details about your Vanilla Visa gift card, such as the gift card number, that is the 16-digit number. After which, you'll be able to use it to purchase any item of your Roblox. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.